Hi, welcome back. In this video, we see how to use the appointment diary and how to create a simple appointment for a new client. First, from the Practice homepage, select the Appointments tab. This page displays your diary for the current week. You can use the navigation arrows on the left and right to move forward and backward 1 week at a time. You can also click on the calendar to go to a specific date. If you would rather look at a single day at a time, you can do so by selecting the Day View switch. In this mode, the navigation arrows move by just 1 day at a time. Clinics that are available to book are differentiated by having the consultant's name under the date at the top and a green printer icon next to the consultant's name. Each clinic is displayed in blocks of 1 hour, with fine lines displaying 5-minute increments within each hour. Clicking on one of these 5-minute increments selects that time as the appointment time. If you have set the clinic up with a lunch break, this will appear as a grayed out block at the selected lunchtime, and the mouse will change to a not allowed icon when you hover over this area. Now, let's book an appointment for a new client. Click on the desired appointment time in the clinic that you want to book. The appointment booking form is displayed. The appointment time is displayed at the top. Enter the client's name, in this example, Olivia Patel, their date of birth, and contact details. The appointment length is set to the default length that you set when you created the clinic for your convenience, but you can change this to any length from 5 minutes up to 60. Select an appointment type from the list. If you have set up automated reminders, see the video called How to Create a Communication Automation Schedule for Appointment Reminders in the Communicating with Your Clients tutorial series for more information on how to do this. Then check the Update Reminder Preferences checkbox. Check Send Reminder Email or Send Reminder SMS to send an email and/or text message to your client to remind them about their appointment. If you have set up a communication queue for this clinic, you can see the video How to Create a Communication Queue and link it to a clinic for information on how to do this. Then you can select Add to Queue and check the queue you want to add the client to. If this is an email or text queue, this will send them a message within 5 minutes confirming their appointment. If it is a letter queue, then a letter will be ready for you to print and post to the client. The Payment Taken and Appointment Confirmed checkboxes are for internal use and are optional. They serve as a reminder of the status of the appointment for your information. You can enter a comment regarding the appointment if you wish, and a status for the appointment. Click Save to finish. The appointment will now be displayed in the clinic.